I seek protection in Allah from across shaitan. I seek forgiveness from Allah, my Lord, from everything I committed knowingly or unknowingly, secretly or openly, and I return towards Him from the sin that I know and from the sin that I don't know. Certainly you are the knower of the hidden thing and the concern of the mistake and forgiver of the sins, and there is no power and no strength except from Allah, the Most High, the Most Great. Indeed, Allah and His angels send blessing upon the conveyor of the unseasonable, I Prophet Muhammad. O believer, you too send blessing and abundant salutation upon him. Allah named two commands with the most gracious, the most merciful. And give glad tidings to those who believed and performed good deeds, that for them are gardens, beneath which rivers flow, when they will be given any fruit to eat from those gardens. Having seen the outer appearance of the fruit, they will say, "This is the actually that same substance which was given to us before, whereas it resembles was given to them, having the same outer appearance but different taste. And for them in those gardens are pure wives, and they will rise therein forever." Indeed, in order to give guidance, Allah is not reluctant in mentioning anything for the purpose of giving an example, be it a mosquito or something more insignificant than it. So those who believe, they know that his example is true for their Lord. As for the disbeliever, they say, what does Allah mean by such an insignificant example? Allah caused to mislead many with it and guide many with it, and He caused to mislead with it only those who are disobedient.